Alright, now let's move on to question number 6. Part A, we want to write this expression in the form of P, Q, R with their respective powers, where A, B, and C are all constants. Now what we're going to do is, I'm going to rewrite everything here, but we have to make sure that we're going to change the square roots into their respective power. So square root becomes powers of half, QP, going to expand the QP, so Q square, P square, over R square. Then we have P negative 1. Then we have Q power of 1 over 3 and R power of 1 over 3. Okay, now let's simplify this even further if possible. Now it looks like we're dealing with fractions inside of the fraction, so let's split this into 2. So we'll have P1 over 2 multiplied with Q square P square over R square. Now this is going to be divided by P negative 1, Q 1 over 3, and R 1 over 3. Now let's simplify the left side first. So P half times P square, that's going to give you P to the power of 3 over 2, right? Let me double check. No, it's going to give you more than that. It's going to give you 5 over 2. Then we have Q square over R square. Then we'll have multiply with 1 over P inverse. So P negative 1, we can write it as P. Then you have Q 1 over 3, R 1 over 3. Then what we'll do here is P 5 over 2 plus P. It's going to be P 7 over 2. Q square minus 1 over 3, it's going to give you Q 2 minus 1 over 3, that's 3 times 2, 6, 6 minus 1, so that's negative 5 over 3. Then R is going to be R plus 2 plus 1 over 3, that's 5 over 3, so that's going to be Q R negative 5 over 3. Wait, no, it's 7 over 3. There we go. Yeah. Okay, looks like there's something wrong here. Q is supposed to be positive because it's 2 minus 1 over 3. Yeah, great. So now let's finalize our answer. We have A is equals to 7 over 2, B is 5 over 3, then C is negative 7 over 3. Okay, so let's move on to the next part, part B. So part B, we're going to logarithmic. We have log base 7x plus 2 log x7 is equals to 3. So what we're going to do here is we need to change everything into the same base. So I'm going to change the base of this log. So we'll have log 7x plus 2 log 7 of 7 over log 7 of x is equals to 3. Then we have log 7 of x plus 2 over log 7 of x equals to 3. Then we will multiply everything by log 7 of x. We'll get log 7 of x squared, the whole thing squared. 2 equals to 3 log 7 of x. So now what we're going to do here is, let's use substitution. U is equals to log of 7 of x, you'll get u squared. Now move the 3 to the left side, we'll get negative 3u plus 2 is equals to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation. Now let's use the cross method. U squared to negative 3u. So that's u and u, that's 2 and 1. So it's going to be 2u and u. So both will be negative because we want to get negative 3. Yeah? So now we get u minus 2, u minus 1 is equals to 0. So I'll move this on to the next part. So then u is equals to 2 or u is equals to 1. Now remember that we're not trying to find u, you're trying to find x. So we'd have to substitute the substitution back into u. So we have log 7x equals to 2, then log 7x is equals to 1. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to use an identity where x is going to be equals to 7 square and x is equals to 7 power of 1. So x equals to 49 and x equals to 7. Therefore, your answers are x equals to 7 and x equals to 49. Okay?